Good morning. Since we got Boso, he's been our alarm clock every morning. He's always the first one who comes to my bed to wake us up. After playing with him for a while, it's time to get ready for the day. So hard to say goodbye to my bosong. As usual, I take the subway line 4 and 2 to work. I still work out in the morning before I go to work, but sometimes I just go there to take a shower and make myself feel good. The yogurt in the vending machine is still my favorite snack in the morning. I like to write down a to-do list before start working. It helps me think organized and keep me sane throughout a busy day of work. First of all, I'm going to check emails. I wear glasses to protect my eyes because 98% of the day I sit in front of a computer screen, which is probably not that good for my eyes. Let the work begin. Just kidding. I definitely need some coffee and food to keep me going. Up to my first meeting. It's lunchtime, which is my favorite time of the day. I had a lunch with my clients after the meeting. It's time to go back to work. Whenever I need to concentrate, I listen to some kind of relaxing music. And off to another meeting. It was a crazy busy day and I had a couple more meetings, but I forgot to film them. When I came back from my last meeting, it was already past 6, which means it's time to go home. But I had things to do, so I stayed later than usual. Plus, I had another casual meeting. I was so hungry that I'm eating a leftover muffin from this morning. It's almost 9 p.m. and I'm exhausted. Usually I drag myself to home, but now I get so excited to see our little Bosong. When I get home, I try to spend as much quality time as possible with Bosong to make up the time that I'm not with him during the day. My husband went out for dinner with his friend, so I've got the entire night just for myself. It's almost 11 p.m., but I hadn't had dinner yet. I was thinking whether I should have dinner or not, but I gave in and decided to eat spicy noodles with cold beer. Ta-da! When I by myself, I watch Netflix to keep me company. I recently got a brand new iPad Pro over the Memorial Day weekend. It's always exciting to open a brand new Apple product and set it up for the first time. It's past midnight. I really need to go to bed. Thank you for watching a day in my life. Good night, world.